Welcome back to Explore Error. Hey everyone! In the previous video, I showed you how to delete temporary files. You can check it out on my channel. Today, let's do some extra deep cleaning by clearing prefetch files. Prefetch files are temporary files created by Windows to help apps open faster. Over time, they can build up and slow down your system. Here's how to delete them safely. First, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard and type Prefetch, then press Enter. A folder will open, and here you will see many files. Now, select all the files here and simply press Delete. If some files don't get deleted, that's completely fine. Just skip those files. And that's it. You have now cleared prefetch files. This helps free up space and can make your PC feel smoother, especially on older systems. You don't need to do this every day. Doing it once in a while is enough. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more PC tips. Thank you for watching.